you really, some manufacturers want the VIN number out of the car. You have to actually hook into the USB and go into the OBD2 port. It's actually going to put the VIN. Some had plans to scan VINs to make sure that you were really connected to that car. Why? Because it's expensive. Do they want to warranty something on they're using the other car in the lot? No. They want it only for that particular.
And guys, you know that around every safeguard is a workaround. There's always a way around the bypass if you really want to. But consider something. Again, my area, 10 pounds, $1,000, $100 a pound. $100 a pound for refrigerant that is 1234 YF. One car.
You think the refrigerant's expensive. So Peter and I were chatting yesterday, I believe it was, or the day before, I can't remember. MD11 hybrid electric oil and AC POA oil is at from $172 an ounce for GM and Ford. Chrysler is $160 an ounce, but I believe he said you have to buy 3 ounces of it. That's the oil. That's insane. I thought the refrigerant was insane.
So I don't drive a hybrid.
So we're going to go on the high side, and the high side is right here. It's a good idea to take your cap and put it on your machine so you don't lose it. And we're going to couple this on. Always make sure you back off and just turn a little bit. We're going to connect on. I'm going to screw it down. And Pete, if you could turn on the Verdi beeping tool over there. Doreen, if you can get in on his gauges here, I'm going to put the tank on. And we back off a little bit, and we're going to regulate this the side we want to look at. I'm going to go up to 200 psi. You see the hose jumping off the floor. So we got 200 psi going into the system. And what we could do is, Pete, if you could start this car up, we're going to run the car and see that compressor hopefully come on. It should be enough to let it go. This is what we usually do. So the compressor is actually on, okay? And of course it's not going to get cold. We're not worried about it getting cold. You can kill it for now, Pete. Just wanted to bring that point across. You can shut it, Pete. So right now we're going to wait for this to heat up or warm up, and we're going to start checking for CO2. Now most of the time, you know, and by the way, you see these foam pads? This is another thing that people forget. Look at these foam pads. When you have shrouds or pads like this, I'm not sure what the rest of this grill looks like, but basically we need this to be a real tight fit here, because anything's going to cause a problem, and I'm already showing that we're going to have a problem here.